Good morning, everyone. So it's time for our fourth chapter, a new life. So, as you know, we will first do an activity and then I will read out this chapter. Okay, children, you can see some pictures over here. You have to tick those picture or the household task that you do at home, especially these days, to help out your mother. The first one you can see watering the plant. Second one, washing dishes. Third one, folding clothes. Fourth one, putting your toys on their proper place. Fifth one, making your bed. And the sixth one, helping your mother in the kitchen. So, whatever work you do at home these days to help out your mother, you have to tick mark it or you can send me on the Google Classroom. Okay, so I'm going to read out this chapter. As you can see, this chapter is a little bit different the way you have done earlier. This chapter are having characters' name and then the dialogue said by these characters are given in front of their name. So this type of chapter is called drama or play. So let's see what's happening in this play or in this drama. And drama or play always divided into scenes. So let's see what's happening here. I'm going to read out it first. Then in the next video, I'll explain this chapter. You also have to practice reading. Okay. The Sahas are moving home. They are going from a big house in Bhagalpur to a small flat in Patna. The household items come into life after the Sahas go to sleep at night. The household items are worried about who will be taken to Patna and who will be left behind. Let's find out what they are talking about. So now let's see the characters of these of this play. Manak, who whom everyone uh, whom everyone lovingly calls Chotu. Mrs. Saha, Manak's mother, Mr. Saha, Manak's father, Rocky. Rocky, grandfather's rocking chair, Woody, the old bookshelf of Manak's great grandmother, Mr. Freezy, the refrigerator, and Star, the TV. Okay, so scene 1 opens at the Saha's living room. Mr. Saha, we must work faster. There are many things to pack. Chotu, please put your toys into this cardboard. Mrs. Saha, please don't take all those toys, Chotu. You hardly play with them any longer. And please put all those old school books into that donation pile. Donation means what you give other, what you give to other to help them out. We are giving them away. Chotu. Yes, Mama, right away. Mr. Saha. What should we do with the bookshelf? Bookshelf means a shelf that you keep books on, where you keep your books. Mr. Saha. Mrs. Saha. It's maybe best to give the bookshelf away. It is old and doesn't look very nice. Chotu disappointed. But Ma, you should take along. Take along means to bring something with one to another location, as you know that they are moving. Woody, Baba, didn't you tell me once that it was your Dida's favorite thing? She used to love to read, and that's where she kept all her books. Mr. Saha, I know, dear, but we hardly use it these days. It will take up so much of space there. Remember, our flat in Patna is much smaller than this house. Mrs. Saha, yes, that's true. We will not have space for all these old furniture. Some things are just too big or the for the flat. Mrs. Saha looking at Mr. Saha. That reminds me, dear, please don't forget the TV has to be packed and put in the special van. Mr. Saha. Oh, yes, of course. I won't forget. The TV. Ah, my TV. I love it so much. Now, scene 2. The Saha's living room at night. It is late at night. The Sahas are fast asleep. Star. Hey folks, did you all hear today how much Mr. Saha loves me? I am going to their new house for sure, and that too in a special van. City life, here I come. Woody, yes, we heard it all, and I am happy for you indeed. Well, some of us aren't so lucky. Some of us won't be going to the new house like me. Rocky, don't be upset, Woody. You served the family so long. Served means being useful to someone. Now it's your time to rest, Woody. I guess so. But I will miss the family a lot. I thought I had served them well enough to be with them forever. Mr. Freezy, cheer up, Woody. Once upon a time, you were the family's most favorite piece of furniture. Live with that memory, buddy. Woody, perhaps, but now I am old and broken. I won't look nice in their modern house. Modern means belonging to the present time, where they are going now, the new house. Rocky, in a way, we are all going to begin a new life. Woody, Star will see life in a city. Woody will be sold to a new home and a new family. Star, I am sure my life is going to be much more exciting than any of yours. I am a star, the special one after all. Rocky, you are wrong, Star. We all have, we all will have new exciting lives in some way or the other. A change is always exciting, Mr. Freezy. And what's more important is that no matter what happens, we will be friends forever. Rocky, I couldn't have said it better myself. Star, yes, yes, sure, we will be. Woody, thank you, everyone. I feel much better now. Scene 3. Outside the Saha's house. It is moving day. The Sahas have packed all their things into boxes. Now it's time to load the vans and say goodbye to their home and some of their things too. Load means put many things onto something. Mrs. Saha looking at Mr. Saha. Dear, please make sure the TV gets loaded onto this special van. Mr. Saha, of course, I will. Just tell the boys who are loading the vans it should not be in the big van that is coming with us to the city. Mrs. Saha, It should be in the special van that is full of things being sold to the Mehta family. Chotu, I sure will miss having the big TV ma. Mr. Saha, so will we, Chotu. Mrs. Saha, but there just isn't enough space in the new house to fit it in. Mrs. Saha, grumbling. These city flats are just so small. We have to now get ourselves a smaller TV. Chotu, waving at the van. Goodbye, Star. We will miss you, good friend. Scene 4. Inside the van. Star, crying. Oh no, I was so silly. I thought the Sahas would never say goodbye to me. I made fun of my friends, and now they are all going to the new house, and I am not. I should not have been so proud. Proud means feeling pleased about something that you have or something that you have done and hurt others' feelings. Now I will never see my friends and family ever again. So the explanation is finished. Reading is finished over here. In the next video, I will explain this chapter. Till then, please read it properly. Thank you.